Welcome students. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the nature of lines, otherwise how is the solution of the given pair of lines. For example, we are having a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, first equation of a straight line, and the second is given by a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Maybe in any question c1, c2 should be on the right hand side, but does not matter. But remember, both constants are either on the left hand side, either on the right hand side. What we have to check? We have to check first of all a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 with their symbols. There are three possibilities may be get. Either first ratio is different from second. If this is the case, then the system of equation is known as consistent and have unique solution. Unique solution means single solution. Means in these type lines are known as intersecting lines. Means without drawing on the graph, we can check the nature of lines by using the ratio of their coefficient. If first two pair are not equal, then system of pair of equation is known as consistent and number of solutions are given by unique means single, and the nature of lines are known as intersecting line. Maybe the situation is this one. First two ratio become equal. If first two ratio become equal, then we move towards third equation. If this third result is not equal, then it is known as inconsistent. Inconsistent means having no solution. No solution means lines does not intersect. These type of line are known as parallel lines. And the third condition, if first ratio is same as second and the third one also become equal, then the solution is known as consistent. Number of solutions are infinite. Infinite means uncountable. We cannot count how many solutions are there. These type of lines are known as coincident lines. Coincident lines means lines if you represent on graph paper, one line represent on other. Suppose this is the first line, this is the second line. One line overlap the other. They represent like a single line. These type of lines are known as coincident lines. It means equations should be represented by two equations, but that is a single equation. In question number 2, we have given pair of equation of two lines. We have to check these equations represented given here intersect at a point means intersecting lines, parallel lines or coincident line. How can we check? We have to identify first a1, b1, c1. a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is the constant term. a2 become here 7, b2 become here 6, c2 become here -1. a1 by a2, if we check here, it become 5 by 7. b1 by b2, if we check here, it become -4 by 6. If you see here, both are not equal. It means first pair is not equal. There is no need to check next pair. If two ratios are not equal, which are first and second, the line are known as intersecting lines. Means intersecting at a point. Now we are moving towards next part. Here a1 is given by 9, a2 is given by 18. Here a1 by a2, if we calculate, it becomes 9 by 18 means 1 by 2. If you see here, b1 is given by 3, b2 is given by 6. b1 by b2 become 3 by 6. It is also same as 1 by 2. First two ratios are same. Now we are moving towards c1 and c2. 12 and 24. If you see here, c1 by c2, 12 by 24. It is also gives us 1 by 2. It means all the ratios are same. So these type of lines are known as coincident lines. Means lines lie on each other. Means how can we identify coincident lines? If you see here, double of first becomes second. It means one of the equation is multiple of other, then the lines are known as coincident lines. In third part, if you see here, A1 is given by 6, A2 is given by 2. A1 by A2, if we calculate, it becomes 6 by 2 means 3. B1 and B2, if we see here, minus 3 minus 1. B1 by B2, if we calculate, minus 3 by minus 1, which gives us 3. Means first two ratios are same. Now we have to check for third one. C1 is given by 10, C2 is given by 9. C1 by C2 become 10 by 9. Not equal to third one. It means first two ratios are same, third is different. These type of lines are known as parallel lines. So like this, we can identify the nature of lines by testing the ratio of their coefficients without using the graphical method. Let's see question number 3. We have given following pair of equations are consistent or not. We have to check with the help of ratio of coefficient. If you see, first equation is given by 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Here A1 become 3, A2 become here 2. If we see here, from here, A1 by A2 become 3 by 2. Now we are going to check B1 by B2. B1 is given by 2, B2 is given by minus 3. B1 by B2 is given by 2 by minus 3, which is different from this one. It means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It means lines are known as consistent. Now we are moving towards second. If you see here, A1 is given by 2, A2 is given by 4. B1 is given by minus 3, B2 is given by minus 6. C1 is given by 8, C2 is given by 9. A1 by A2 become from here 2 by 4, half. B1 by B2 become here 3 by 6, both are negative signs, so it become also half. C1 by C2, if we see here, 8 by 9. Here A1 by A2 is same as B1 by B2 but different from C1 by C2. It means lines are known as inconsistent by the condition of ratio of coefficients. Same way, now we see our third part. Here equation is by 9x plus 10y is equal to 42 after simplification of fraction by LCM. So here A1 become 9, B1 become 10 and C1 is given by 42. And if you see here, A2 is given by 9, B2 is given by minus 10, C2 is given by 14. A2 is given by 9, B2 is given by minus 10 and C2 is given by 14. If you see here, A1 by A2 become 9 by 9 means plus 1. B1 by B2, if we calculate, it become 10 by minus 10 minus 1. First two ratios are not same, so there is no need to check out third ratio. Here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It is the case of consistent. So pair of these two lines are given by consistent. Now we are going to continue with our fourth part. It is given by 5x minus 3y equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y is equal to 22 with negative sign. Here A1 is given by 5, A2 is given by minus 10. If we find out ratio, A1 by A2 become 5 by minus 10, it means minus 1 by 2. B1 is given by minus 3, B2 is given by 6. So B1 by B2, if we calculate, it become minus 3 by 6 means minus 1 by 2. First and second pair are same. Now we have to move towards third pair, C1 and C2. If you see here, C1 by C2 minus 11 by 22, it is also same. It means A1 by A2 is same as B1 by B2 is same as C1 by C2. It means all the ratios are same. So these type of lines are known as having infinite solution. And in case of infinite solution, we have known that it is a single line. and the 9 is known as coincide lines, and the equation when they have the solution, it is known as consistent system of equations. Now in fifth part, if you see here, first of the equation after simplify we get this one. A1 is 4, A2 is 2. B1 is 6, B2 is 3. C1 is 24, C2 is 12. If we see here, it is directly seen double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6, double of 12 is 24. It means A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 all are 2 times upper, 1 time lower. It means all are equal. So these type of lines having infinite solution means these are known as consistent system of equations.